So the chart on my screen is for Asian Paints. It's on a daily time frame. Asian Paints in September was trading around 3400 levels, and as of today, in a span of about 3 months, the stock is around 2200. So this is more than a 30% correction in the stock, and everyone is panicking, not knowing where this downslide in Asian Paints is likely to. So in this video, I will do a top-down approach based on supply-demand strategy, and let's see which area can be a good demand zone for Asian Paints.
But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest trading strategies and market updates. If you're excited about learning how to trade smarter, comment below with your thoughts on Asian Paints and let us know what stock you'd like us to analyze next. Now let's jump right in.
So let me switch to the monthly time frame. If you see on the monthly time frame, there is a strong rally base, rally demand zone, and price had come close to that demand and had a very strong reaction from. So this level isn't tested, it's a fresh demand zone. So it is around, I think, 2200 levels, around 2200, which is also a round number for the stock. This is a good rally base, rally demand zone. So what I'm expecting is this daily downtrend is likely to change when it hits this monthly demand zone. So as a trader, how can I take advantage of this opportunity? So what I will do is I'll wait for the stock to come to the monthly demand zone, and on the daily time frame I'll look for some bullish reversal formation. So once I spot those reversal formations, it will be a good opportunity to plan a positional trade in Asian Paint. And where can the stock move up to? So the first target that I'm expecting is this broken support, which is around 2500, which also is a round number for this. So it has room for it to move up at least till 2500 in the near term. So looking to enter Asian Paints on a confirmation basis, let it come down to the monthly demand zone. It offers a good positional trading opportunity. So friends, this was my analysis based on supply demand trading strategy. And if you also want to learn more about supply demand trading strategy, all you need to do is just click the link in the description and join me for my upcoming workshop where I will be sharing more nuances of supply demand trading. So I'm looking forward to seeing you in the workshop. Thank you.
The market may be unpredictable, but with the right strategies, you can make it work for you. If you found value in this breakdown, imagine what you could learn in my free supply and demand workshop. This is your chance to master one of the most powerful trading strategies and take control of your trading journey. Click the link in the description below and sign up now. It's completely free. Don't miss